Hello, my name is Lexi. I shall rule the world with my cat friends. First of all, I will destroy all humans. Second of all, I will destroy the one you call Deadpool. Now, when I destroy Deadpool... Wait, what? Hey, stop talking, I'm talking. Oops, headbutt. That's right. When I destroy... Wait, I already did. Right. But still, when I destroy everyone else, I'll destroy all humans. Starting with them. The cat! There's a cat! Here, I'm gonna go towards it. My weakness! I'm gonna go towards it. Nice kitty. Why? Pain. All I know is pain. Soon, we shall take over everything. Wait, what's that? Whoa! Oh my god! Oh my god! When I put my paw on that, it feels so funny. I'm gonna bite it. Okay, maybe that didn't. Hey, what's that thing there? I'm just the cameraman, I'm sorry. Hey, you better get out of there. Sue you. Soon our symbols will be everywhere. I said, meow, meow, I'm a cow. I said, shut up. Meow. Meow. Why am I so small? Was I just born this way? I shall take over this world as soon as I can get out of this house. I'm going to need help with the dog. Mr. Pickles! Wait, yeah, that's not it. What was the other one? I don't know. Maybe I'll just make myself another time. Yum, yum, yum. Pizza taste. Soon I'll hire humans that are still alive so they don't die to step on Deadpool. What the? Master! Forever I shall rule the world. Hello, I am a news reporter. Somehow I'm still alive. We need word from this kid who tried to skateboard, but he really... Hey kid, why'd you give up your dreams of skateboarding? Don't worry, kid.
To beat you in the head with a bat.
Back to you, Al! Back to you! Back to you, Al! Back to you!
You're welcome for that.
Alright, Mari, take off your hood. You're Al.
You're welcome for that, Chris. You're welcome.
Al. I got this. Yeah. No, not Ow. Owl. Owl. Yeah. Ow. That's your character. Alright, I'll record, buddy. Say like, hello, I'm Al, and
Hello, I'm Al. Oh, well, I'm a survivor from a kitty. And, well, Mom, love me! No! My top.
Yes, my plan is working! Alright, wait, what was that? We just got word that Deadpool is going in to kill her. I've had enough with you, you dumb cat! Meow! My butthole! We just got word that the cat's still a... Oh my... Do I have to record more? Do I have to record? I do? Just look away right now. The cat's gonna freaking die. We just got word. Deadpool, are you done killing the cat?
Yes, she is now in prison.
Please, no more. Which way do I go? There's no escape. We just got word that a thug with a Michelangelo mask is robbing stuff. I see him. All right. I'm going to go to the thug right now. Hey, thug! Dang, and he wait. He's, dang it, sorry. Right there. The thug has run away. Wait, and you tried to butt rape 10 children? Oh my God.